Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Gabe with Indigo Software, genuine Microsoft software for less. So in today's video, we're covering 20 of the best Microsoft Excel keyboard shortcuts to help you get better at Excel and work as efficiently as possible. Now, if you're interested in picking up your own copy of Microsoft Office or other Microsoft software at a great price, check out Indigo Software. We'll have all the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, so I have a very basic set of information here. We just have some customers and we have some order amounts. So for number one, we're gonna give you a few simple ones, and that is cut, copy, and paste. Now I'm on Mac, so I'm gonna be using Command as my main keybind. So to cut, it's gonna be Command X, and then paste is gonna be Command V. Copy is Command C, and then paste again, Command V. So cut, copy, paste, again, we're using Control if you're on Windows. Super easy. This is the same throughout most of your applications on your computer, but we thought we'd go over it nonetheless. All right, moving on, number two, we have expand selection. So we'll hit Command or Control, Shift, and then the arrow button. So we can go whichever way. We can go down, up, left, right, expand. As you can see, it's going to expand all the way. So a super handy one to know to quickly make those selections without having to use your mouse. Now another handy feature for number three is going to be the special paste. So with this one, you can paste information such as formatting, formulas, or even column widths. So once you have what you want selected and copied, you'll press Command, Option, or Alt, V. Now it's going to bring up this little window and I can choose what I want to paste. Next is fill down or fill right. So fill down is going to be Command D, or fill right is going to be Command R. Next we have toggle formula references. On Windows you're going to press the F4 key, and on Mac we're going to be pressing Command Shift T. Next we have toggle filters. On Windows you're going to be pressing Control Shift L, and on Mac we're going to be pressing Command Shift F. So you can see little filter drop downs came up right here. Okay, so Command Shift F will hide them again. So turn on, toggle off, turn on, toggle off. Now next we have a pretty simple one. This is going to be Command or Control Z, and this just means undo. I use this all the time, so if I mess something up in here, say I type something in the cell, and then I enter and spell it wrong, Command Z simply just undoes your last action. Next we have Select All, again, one that I use all the time. This will select all the information on your spreadsheet, and that is Command A. So I was within a region of data here. If I click off and press Command A, it'll get the whole sheet. So nice little tool there. Next we have first and last cell. On Windows you're going to press Control Home or Control End. Those two are going to put you in the first and last cell of your spreadsheet. On Mac we're going to be pressing FN and then holding Control. And we're going to use our arrows. So left is the first, right is the very last. Next we have Repeat Last Action. On Windows, you'll press Control Y. On Mac, it's going to be Command I. So for example, if I want to highlight this yellow, I'll click over to the next cell and press Command Y. And there we go, it's going to be the same thing. Next, we have data navigation. We can use Control plus the arrows on our Windows, and then Command plus the arrows on our Mac. So this is going to navigate by data rather than just by cell. Okay, next we have fill handle. So if we had a formula or something like that right here, and I made a selection, this little tiny square, I can double click it, and it's going to copy it down the entire row or column. So that's, while not a keyboard shortcut, it's one of the most powerful features in Excel. Okay, next we have delete entire columns or rows. So with this G column selected, I'll press Command and press minus. On Windows it'll be Control minus, and that can delete an entire column or row. Next we have edit cell. This is helpful if you don't want to take your hands off the keyboard. So moving over here, on Windows you'll press F2. On Mac we're going to press Control U. And as you can see, I'm editing the cell without having to physically click it with my trackpad. Next we have enter multiple cells. All right, so with multiple cells selected, I'll input some information and then press Command Enter. So instead of copy paste, we can simply just boom, hit one button, and it's all going to fill just like that. Next we have format cells, and this one is going to be Control or Command 1. Boom, it's going to pull up our format cells menu options here, and we can go ahead and do that without having to navigate through our tabs at the top. Next we have select visible cells only. On Windows, you're going to be pressing Alt and semicolon, and then on Mac, we're going to be pressing Command-Shift-Z. Now the next shortcut is New Table, so Command or Control-T. This is going to bring up a new table. And the last one that we have for you guys is Insert Cells or Rows or Columns. And on Windows, you're going to press Control-Shift+. On Mac, we're pressing Command-Shift+. Brings up a little menu here where we can shift cells down, right, or we can do the entire row. All right, so that's going to do it for today's video. If you guys found it helpful, be sure to drop us a like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. If you have any questions or video ideas for us, let us know in the comment section below. Again, if you're interested in your own copy of Office or other Microsoft software at a great price, check out Indigo Software. We'll leave all the links in the description box below. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.